Hello everybody, this is Sonia again, and I'm doing another parcel for my challenge. I have another envelope here, and this is from Ruth Burr, and Ruth lives in South Australia, not in Australia of course. Keep smiling. Thank you very much, Ruth, for doing this. That's very kind of you for entering my challenge. I really appreciate that. Thank you. The envelope's in the same. Oh wow. Please forgive the lack of presentation, but my craft room is all packed. Congratulations on 5 years. I've enjoyed watching and learning. Thank you so much, Ruth. That's very nice of you, darling. Send me this, and it is fine. Presentation is amazing. I love this. I'm opening. I do. I do. Oh wow. Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much. This is a wool fabric, and it is beautiful. I love the colours, and it's soft and really nice. Thank you so much. I really love that. Thank you. And then I have this really lovely piece that I do love, this sort of sheer fabric. It's just a thing to put on stuff. It's just goes behind things and looks really good. This is for making little houses out of, and little bits, you know, that you need for that sort of thing, little check bits. So nice. Thank you so much, Ruth. I really appreciate that, Ruth. I really do. Her name is Ruth Burr, and she has a YouTube channel, and she does a lot of teaching, and well, she used to do a lot of videos, and she still has a few up at them, like new ones out there from time to time. So if you want to go over and watch her channel. So thank you so much, Ruth, for participating in my challenge. I really appreciate that, darling, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.